Tag along with me as I deeply clean this guest bathroom and give it a makeover on a budget, plus find out how I score a $300 mirror for this guest bathroom. Thank you so much for being here. Before you go, would you please hit the subscribe button so you could come back for more motivation. Hello, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful you are here cleaning along with me and doing some makeovers while I am on summer break. I am a bilingual third grade elementary school teacher on summer break, but let me just tell you, my house throughout the year was so neglected and I wanted to start in this small bathroom. Now we're gonna keep it simple, but we're gonna make sure we hit every single corner in this bathroom. I absolutely love this IKEA small sink. However, for some reason, the counter gets really dirty, get this yellowish color, and I don't know why. So I'm using some lime away. I let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I went with a very old toothbrush and just scrubbed around. I want to say that this bathroom, it's about 10 years old. I mean, the extension itself is very old. When I purchased the home, this bathroom was already here. It's a half bathroom for our guest. It's in the main floor. However, it has no insulation, and for some reason the color is very yellowish, and on camera it's even worse. While I clean here my son's toothbrush, which I don't understand why on the bottom it's always so dirty. Comment below if your toothbrush base always does the same thing. I have seen on TikTok like people use the makeup sponges, they poke a hole on it and then they place the toothbrush on top, and that works. I haven't tried it, didn't have the time right now because I am more focused on trying to go around, disinfect all the areas. I'm using pine sol because I don't know in your area, but by my home there's a lot of flies. And also I get my pine sol from Sam's Club, and I believe 2 of the big bottles cost me about $15. There's a few things that I no longer like about this bathroom. This tile and the detail cost me a lot of money around 10 years ago, but I know it's no longer in style, and I wanted to brighten up this area and give it, I guess, a refresh or a reset, and I accomplished that at the end. But before that, we gotta really disinfect. We just finished disinfecting the toilet. Here's the water dump. I am gonna be using these wipes. And the one thing, when I'm cleaning the toilet, you'll see that I'm constantly changing wipes. It's probably not the best environmental friendly to be disposing these wipes, but like I mentioned before, I'm trying to tackle a deep cleaning of this bathroom so we can get to the fun stuff. I know perhaps this is not your favorite videos. I heard that there's some viewers that dislike or despise when someone is cleaning the toilet. I personally don't mind cleaning bathrooms, but one thing I do despise is having to wash the kitchen floor for some reason. Now here you'll see me using this from Clorox. I love this product, and you'll see me using this once again for the floor. I think it's phenomenal. I think it disinfects, it cleans. What I'm doing here that's important is that I'm going around for the first time trying to apply the product all over the toilet. Then I am going to be closing the lid and I am going to let the product sit for about 10 minutes. And while the product is going to sit here, I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that time to start cleaning the floor. Product is doing its thing there. I am going to use those wipes that are on the floor. This is what I like to do real quick. Just grab all the hair or whatever it has. Then I'm going to come and vacuum. And then we're going to try to clean the tiles a little better. This bathroom is so small that instead of sweeping, I just use the wipes. And that's it. We're gonna give this floor a good clean because it is disgusting. All right, let's see. So now we're gonna open this. flush the toilet. Let's do this again. And then what I'll do is I grab paper towel and just wipe around this areas here. And also I will grab disinfectant wipe to finish it off. This is my first time using this product. And I think all you gotta do is push or not. Oh, push there, I guess. And pull. Oh, there it is. All right. So that's how it is. Try to link it down below. The toilet is clean. The sink is clean. I am going to use another one of this to clean the entire floor, and we're gonna let the product sit there for about 20 minutes before I come and wipe everything down. This is a very small bathroom, but these things are phenomenal to clean and disinfect. Here. So that yellow, you see yellow, it comes out as yellow. And please know that's not pee. This is why I regret the color of the grout that I use on these tiles, because in the camera it looks more dirty than what it is, and I don't know if you see it, but please know that it's not pee what you see back there. It's just from aging, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna continue doing this. All right, now we just wait. While the product is doing its thing on the floor, I'm taking a second here to fold the hand towels. These towels, every time you use them, you toss them to the dirty basket bin that I have right next to the bathroom sink. And I basically wash these towels every other day, sometimes twice a week. It all depends how often we're going into that bathroom. But I think it's phenomenal that we are not tossing paper into the garbage, and I only pay $1.25 for them. At the Dollar Tree, I think I bought them now about, I want to say, a year and a half ago that I've been using that system. So let me know, how do you handle your towel situation in your guest bathroom or any bathroom around the home? Here I'm taking a second going around and wiping the floor. I have just water in my little bucket here that I continue to rinse. And after we're finished doing this, we're ready for the fun stuff. And one last thing before we start brightening up this bathroom is to make sure that I disinfect everything. And what I also like to do after I apply to all the surfaces, I spray a little bit into the air, close the door, and wait a few minutes before I come back. And it smells amazing. All right, so the bathroom is clean. It smells like pure Lysol. I still have to wipe the mirror, and I'm gonna go and make sure I have everything to start painting. Let me know in the comments down below, will you leave that trim those colors, or will you paint them something else? I often want to rip everything off the entire tile, but unfortunately this bathroom here is facing outside, doesn't have an insulation, and doing that will be ludicrous. I would love to replace the toilet, but the toilet kind of matches the tiles, so I don't know, maybe white. It wouldn't look bad actually, that I'm thinking, because that's white, so maybe a white toilet. Let me think about it. I just took down this mirror that was here. And if you've been here with me for a while, you know this used to be from a vanity, and the entire thing came out. And basically the reason is this half bathroom was built by the previous owner, and there's no insulation. I redid it. I redid the entire bathroom, not me, my handy, wonderful neighbor. I pay him, obviously. But the situation with this is that there's only a 2x4 here, and there's nothing after that. Nothing. Maybe here's the next one. So eventually the vanity fell off, and nothing, a pretty mirror that's not really going here because it blocks the outlet. I may have a solution, stay tuned. But right now I'm leaving those screws there. Now I have a solution, and I think it's gonna look nice. So let's get to painting. It's the paint that I'm gonna be using, and it's semi-gloss, and it's pure white. It's base, but I don't care. We're painting with this baby. And by the way, this is the same color paint that I'll be painting the bathroom, our main bathroom, that has been taking forever. It's like the longest bathroom saga ever. I'm actually have so much footage to edit because it is a very long story, motivational in my own opinion, because here in my home I am a single mom. I have been single my entire life, and I also was a foster mom for almost 7 years, and that was my ministry, just taking care of kids for a very, very long time. So anyhow, what happens is that my income doesn't really flow that much, and I just got in my first contract as a teacher this past year. So I'm finally turning the corner financially, but it's taking forever. And all that to say that the bathroom upstairs, I have been fixing it as I go. And although I consider myself a frugal person, that is because I appreciate good stuff, but I also rejoice when I find it for a very cheap price. I personally don't have a specific schedule when I clean the kitchen, when I clean the bathrooms, when I clean bedrooms. I clean as I have the time, honestly. This year, because it was my first time teacher elementary, it was everything brand new, all the subjects really almost absorb all of my time. Plus I have ADHD. I like to put it out there because that by itself, it's a hassle. So anyhow, I also say that ADHD is a superpower, because this is why I think I am inspired in a creative way, but unfortunately I have a mess everywhere, like absolutely everywhere. But anyhow, here's how the paint is coming out. Sadly, it took only 3 times to paint the entire little bathroom. I'm going to be using this tool over here. Let's see if it works. What a mess. Let's see, I think it goes like this. Oh, I like it. Just think that may be too much paint. I really hate this tool, but I don't like it either, because you have to go this way, so it leaves the stripes, and then my roller goes up. So I'm just gonna finish this the old-fashioned way with the brush, and I'll see you when it's all painted. I actually like that tool. I just think that I should have done the edges and the borders first and then paint, and that would have made the difference. So I basically gave myself extra work. But go ahead, try the tool and let me know what you think about it. Alright, so here we are at the end of our videos, and basically I am putting this sign back on my little shelf here, because right now I'm not planning to spend any extra money on decor, and I want to show you this beautiful, gorgeous mirror that is $300. That is correct. And guess what? I didn't pay for it. I am so blessed to have a neighbor that has been working She is a cleaning, she has a cleaning company, and she works for people that have a lot of money. And whenever they don't want something, they give it to her, and she makes some extra money either selling it or having yard sales. But when she sees something that is very expensive and nice, she gives it out to her family, or she asked me if I want it, and of course I couldn't say no. It says over here that this paint is made out of gold. I don't know how true that is, but here it is. This is how the bathroom is looking. I am satisfied, and you could tell the difference in the color of the video right here. Thanks for being here.